Today's update covers massive progress across the stadium, from the third tier and south end to the VIP rings and core structures. We're seeing continuous material deliveries, heavy crane operations, and fast-moving installation work across multiple zones. From the north stand llamas to the mirador and parking level, every area is slowly taking its final shape. Let's break down all the latest on-site developments happening right now. Work is continuing steadily on the third tier of the stadium, especially around the third voladizo, where active construction can clearly be seen. The Dani Peiró curve remains one of the busiest areas, with workers spread across different sections. Prefabricated seating elements are also being handled and positioned, showing that installation is still in progress. Although only a few units are visible, they confirm that the third tier is gradually moving toward completion. Overall, this area already reflects the shape of the final structure, which will look even more impressive once the roof and blaugrana seating are fully installed. Another trailer has arrived with a new structural section, showing the fast and continuous flow of materials to the site. The pace feels very intense, with multiple deliveries supporting ongoing installation work across the stadium. Overall, the south end now has additional sections in place. A large structural section has been delivered and quickly lifted into position by the tower crane, showing smooth and precise coordination on site. It has now been placed alongside other sections, ready for the next phase of installation, as construction continues at a steady and active pace. We're seeing a small but steady update in the compression ring with one more section installed, taking the progress to around 11 pieces so far. The pace is still gradual, but the structure is slowly coming together. In the VIP areas, the first ring already looks quite finished with its glass panels, while the second VP ring is still in early stages and will look very different once the decorative llamas are fully installed. From the south end corner, we can see stored materials on site in a wet surface due to recent rain, along with a clear view of the stadium's developing structure. The second VIP ring is still in early progress, with some exterior cladding starting to appear, while its main visibility will be towards the interior of the stadium. The first VIP ring will remain the main exterior highlight once everything is completed. The ground level is now almost aligned with the parking exit, as the height difference has been gradually filled and compacted layer by layer. The surface is being smoothed out, and very soon this area will be fully at parking level. What comes next for this space is still unclear, whether it will be used for storage or future work phases, but the earlier ramp structure is now practically gone. We are now at the north stand, where the ceramic llamas project started with great expectations. So far, only the first yellow llama is installed, and no new ones have been added recently. At the moment, there is no clear installation activity visible, as teams appear to be focused on checking and reviewing the upper anchoring points, likely preparing everything for the next phase of work. From the mirador, several platforms are active across the tribune, working on different structural points, including superstructure connections and lower areas under the voladizo. A truck has also delivered interior panels, showing continuous material flow on site. Most importantly, concrete slabs are now visible near the core area. If you enjoyed this update, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more stadium progress updates.